Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am here with another Spellbinders video, and this time I altered 3 boxes and I used this die set right here. Now this die set is back, and this one is called Season's Greetings Deer, and there are different ways you can put together this deer. As you can see, for example, it has 3 eyelashes, it has a bow, so you can do it with or without the bow. You can add the flowers if you like, and it comes with a sentiment, and it also even comes with a little bit of blush, which, to be honest with you, I totally forgot to use that part. And on one of the deers I did add the Santa hat, and it is a really cute die, and I am so happy that it's back because I actually missed out on buying it last year, to be honest with you. And I was so happy to know that you can actually purchase it right now, and I will have a direct link to this die set. I was going to make cards, but I decided to alter these boxes. I will also have a link to where you can buy these boxes. So now let me share with you what I made. Here is the first box I made, and as you can see, I just did a simple pink background. I added the Season's Greetings, and then I think she just looks adorable, and especially that bow. And if you know me, you know that I absolutely love my bows. And it's honestly, you guys, you might think that it looks a little intimidating or tedious. It is not. Trust me, it's not. So let me just show you really quickly what this box looks like. And that's what that looks like. So I haven't done anything to the inside, obviously, or I haven't added anything, but this can be used for pretty much anything. And it's just a fun way to alter a package. And let me share with you the second one. So here is the second one. This time the nose is pink, and this one is, you know, red. The eyelashes are different. I didn't use the Santa hat. A little bit more simple, this one, but I think it's just so cute. I absolutely love this die, you guys. And you can see that I used an oval shape, and of course this is also a Spellbinders die. For the oval, I used the classic ovals, large. This one right here, it was the largest one. And then for the other one, I used the lacy ovals, and again, I used the largest one, and that's what that looks like. And I have one more to share with you, and here is the third one. Oh, I think it's just so cute. I love her, the way she looks. I love the poinsettia. It's part of the die set. And this time I made the nose black, and I just added a little bit of cluster of stuff right here. And the die cuts, all of these die cuts right here, plus this one that says Jingle All the Way, these are from the Sparkling Holidays card kit. And I don't know which video is going up first, but there is a video where I share with you how I assembled a card kit from Spellbinders. And this time, again, this oval was from the classic ovals, and it is the largest one. And then this other oval shape, this one is called Beaded Oval, and I used the largest one. And that one I cut it out using glittered cardstock, and the paper is also from the Sparkling Holidays card kit. So here are my 3 boxes. I can't fit them all in the screen, but here they are, you guys. I love the way how they came out. I think they're so cute. I absolutely love this die, and you know I love die sets, so this was just right up my alley. And Christmas, who doesn't love Christmas? I know I do. And I love non-traditional colors, and of course I love traditional colors as well. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check the description box for a direct link to these items. Bye everyone.